Good afternoon, everybody. This is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stuart. This afternoon, I'm going to walk you through a 2025 350 Boston Whaler round. Up front, you have your very comfortable plush seating. You have a teak table that's removable and stores away so it stays out of the weather. You also have a stereo remote over here on the starboard side, plenty of cup holders, armrest, tons of JL audio speakers. You have rod holders up front for those that like to fish. And you're going to have an anchor windlass up front here, built into the stem with a remote. Now we'll move back and look at the cockpit and helm deck area. Hey everybody, it's Brad again, MarineMax Stuart. Now we're at the helm of the 350 Boston Whaler realm. You'll see you have twin Simrad 16-inch displays, digital throttle and shift, the all-important joystick. You have a little wet bar area over here that's insulated to keep your drinks cool. You have helm AC on this boat as well. Easily operated push-button switches. A really dry, nice electronics box. Your Simrad VHF is going to be over here. And you also have your dual captain's chair, helm seat here. Tilt steering wheel on every boat from Whaler. Down below you'll find a spacious cabin with AC and heat. You're also going to have enough room to easily sleep 4 people. And moving aft, we'll see that you're going to have a awesome protected panel here with your key switches and battery switches. That's on your port side. You have a second row seating on this boat that does flip back and forth, so you can have comfortable forward or aft facing seating. On the port side, you've got your dive door over here, custom Boston Whaler ladder. You got a live well on the port corner transom. And as mentioned, your dive ladder from Whaler stores underneath your seat here. This seat folds down. If you spin around, you'll see you have the refrigerated box here underneath that seat. You have a very spacious refrigerator, stainless steel refrigerator here. And this is going to be your grill area. Also protected by a solid surface countertop. This boat's going to be equipped with Trip 300 Mercury outboards. If you guys want to come take a look, please stop by at MarineMax Stuart. Again, my name is Brad Langdon. Look forward to seeing you soon.